Hi everyone, happy early Valentine's Day to you. I am here to reveal this year's new release. It is Valentine's themed. Every Valentine's release that I have is always really popular because I know a lot of you like pinks and purples and anything along those lines. So let me introduce you to each one. This pale light pink pen is called Flirtatious. All the Valentine's pen, except one, which you'll see later on, have rose gold hardware. The crystals are a rose, light rose, and iridescent mix. This VBPen is called Beloved. It is a burgundy, like a berry burgundy glossy paint. All the Valentine pens except one has glossy paint, rose gold hardware, and a mix of burgundy and fuchsia crystals. The next VB pen is called Smitten. It is a glossy lavender shade with a mix of amethyst, light amethyst, and iridescent crystals with rose gold hardware. Secret Admirer is the next pen. This one is, I would like to call it a plum berry purple shade. It's glossy paint, rose gold hardware, and crystals are purple and violet. Do you remember the Queen of Darkness VB pens back from last year's Halloween release? Well, I am adding this Queen of Darkness. This one is called Queen of Hearts to the collection. This one is a dark red matte paint, black and clear crystals with red metallic hearts. And here is the lineup for Valentine's release, which will be on February 10th. VB time, which is 11 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there will be a bundle available to get all 5 pens and singles as well. Not only do we have the release, but we do have Ooh La La kit extras that will be in the shop. And this little magnet charm, I've had this one released a couple years back and everyone's been requesting it. So I thought it would be really fun to release it for part of the Valentine's release. So as you can see, I put this in the sticker planner. But yeah, this one, even though it is magnetized, you just want to be careful because it is a strong magnet, but not like super strong. So when you carry it like in your planner bag or something and it kind of rubs against other things, it will come off, as you can see here. So just be very careful with it that you don't lose a magnet, but everyone really likes this one, so I brought it back. The color is a little bit more of a pale pink. I believe the previous one was more beige. Okay, so don't forget, mark your planners for February 10th for all Valentine goodies. Thanks for watching. See you soon.